there's three trends that we see that are dominating the enterprise search market today. The first trend that we're seeing is the ability to answer questions. And Google's been doing that for many years. And that's what we call precise recall. If I can get access or provide you answers to your question at a precise moment and get that right, I think we've done pretty well there. So I think that's kind of the first trend. It's what we call table stakes in search. The second trend that we see in search is the ability to converse. And what I mean by converse is you should be able to naturally converse with your search engine as you converse in first person or natural language with your daughter, your son, your friends, and so forth. So that's the second thing that we're actually trying to address in search. We've had lots of improvements in our algorithms to take us there, and a lot of our customers are utilizing the ability. The third thing that we're actually seeing in enterprise search is the assist model, where your search engine becomes your personal assistant. What if your search engine could follow you, provide you insights, but proactively provide you those insights, right? So instead of having to the query, or you having to drive the query of the search engine, what if the search engine could actually tell you, hey, the weather's going to be like this today, and therefore you should prepare beforehand? Or you're actually going out and seeing a customer. Turns out these are the top items in the news around those customers. Will that actually assist you in your day-to-day life? Sure it will. So we're moving to an increased assist model with search as well. So it's what we call the search experiences: answer, converse, and assist. How can I actually have a personal virtual assistant helping me in my day-to-day work? And the reason why that's very, very important is we've got a lot of applications, right? So imagine yourself as a sales representative that's actually using a consumer CRM or enterprise CRM, and you also have all this unstructured data within your enterprise. Could I actually combine those two data sets, build in what we call as the enterprise knowledge graph, and then provide my virtual assistant with that knowledge graph to preemptively help me in the search experience? So I'm going to see my customer, and it turns out that these are the breaking news articles. Turns out that they actually have a contract which renews with us in 6 days, and they've logged 4 service calls. And these are the people in the organization that have been intimately involved with that service call. Does that bridge that gap between your customer and Google, and you as a person servicing the customer? Yes, it does. Does it make you smarter? Yes, it does. So that's the whole intent of the search engine, right? To assist you and make you smarter and better close that gap between yourself and the customer. So we think that preemptive search experience is going to be a lot better, and hopefully we'll have virtual assistants assisting us in the future.